Hello and welcome to Business 1430 Entrepreneurship 1. My name is Sarah Bray and I am the instructor for the course. I'd like to start by giving you a tour of Blackboard so you know how we will use Blackboard for the class, as well as a quick review of the syllabus. So when you log into Blackboard, you're going to see this general home page. It includes tabs on the left that have announcements, other important information, the syllabus, which we'll take a look at in a moment, as well as modules. We've broken the course into 6 different modules and we'll move throughout them during the semester. You'll see something for important templates, and I'll explain that later, as well as your grades and how to email me. Let's start by taking a look at the syllabus together. You'll see at the top of the syllabus general contact information for me. I am on the Cattaraugus County campus of JCC, so you'll find me there if you ever want to meet in person. I'm in Tech 230B. I do have occasional trips to Jamestown as well. My office hours are Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to noon each of those days. However, I'm here all the time. If you want to speak at a different time, I'm more than happy to work with you to do that. Our textbook is available to you for free using this link. When you click on that link, it opens up a PDF file. We use this book quite a bit. You'll see as you scroll through it that it's not like a typical college textbook. It's more like a workbook. So you definitely need to access the book, whether you do that through the web, or if you prefer to get a print copy of the book, you can do that through our bookstore at JCC. The cost is around $35. The syllabus includes typical information like the course description and the student learning outcomes. And I'll tell you, we take a very basic look at entrepreneurship and try to help students understand what it means to live the life of an entrepreneur and recognize that entrepreneurs come in all different shapes and sizes, and you can be an entrepreneur spending 70, 80, 90 hours a week opening a restaurant. You can also be an entrepreneur who has a full-time 9-to-5 job and you have a bit of a side hustle, doing something on your own on the side, spending a few hours a week. So there's a variety of ways people come into entrepreneurship, and we're going to spend some time exploring that throughout this class. We use a point system for grading, a total of 850 points, and each assignment is worth typically 50 points. Some are a little bit more. As you work throughout the semester, you will collect points. Be sure you don't ever miss an assignment. That'll have a negative impact on your grade. I do want to talk about communication. So this is an online class, which means that we won't see each other in person regularly, yet communication between us is really important. If you have any questions at all, email is a great place to start. However, email is a bad tool for teaching and learning. If you want to talk about a particular assignment or an overall concept, I really love to use Zoom. If you have a computer with a webcam and a microphone, Zoom will let us connect to each other, see each other, and we can share screens, and I can help you with your assignment. We could spend hours going back and forth through email talking about the details on an assignment, or we could probably spend 15 minutes on a Zoom session and get you much more information and clarity. So it's a better way to use everyone's time, and I think it gets you, the student, access to better information. All assignments are due on Sunday nights, and they're due at 11:59 or midnight, basically. I do accept work late, except for quizzes. Quizzes are not accepted late. We have 2 within the course. If you do submit an assignment late, just note that it's 10 percentage points off for every 24-hour period that it's late. For example, if it's a 50-point assignment, you lose 5 points for every day that that assignment is late. Please reference the syllabus and click on these additional links regarding expectations of students, Blackboard. If you need accommodations, reach out to Don Poole, or otherwise let me know. And then I'll show you the schedule. So as I mentioned, we broke the course into different modules. There are 6 of them, and there's 1 assignment due every single week. So within week 1, you'll see what you should be doing, reviewing the syllabus, having an introduction to entrepreneurship, and what is due is a discussion post for meeting your classmates, due on January 20th at 11:59 p.m. So every week you'll see what you should be focusing on, what is due, and when it is due. I outline the chapters and the specific assignments. This is the end of the syllabus, so why don't I go back to Blackboard and show you how it all connects within the course shell. Within each module, you'll see consistent information. This one starts with the Module 1 overview. It tells you what you're supposed to be learning, the readings you need, and the assignments. If there are any materials that I want you to reference besides the book, you'll find them here in this course materials folder. So here you'll see some PowerPoints as well as a video that I'd like you to watch. All of the assignments are here in the assignments folder, and they do go in order. So here's where you'll click to access your assignments. The first one is a discussion in order to meet your classmates. So you'll see the description here. Please make sure you provide all the information requested in the introduction and respond to at least 2 of your classmates' posts. I think that's it for now. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. I really enjoy working with all of my students and seeing your business ideas and concepts develop throughout the semester. Thank you.